Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting the keyboard so input is recognized. Plug a USB keyboard into the dock or use a compatible Bluetooth adapter. Once done, make sure your Switch and Fortnite are updated to avoid compatibility issues and enable wired communication in system settings under controllers. You'll know it worked when the keyboard moves menus or types in chat fields. If not, reseat cables and try a different USB port. This gets you ready to map keys inside Fortnite without delay. You now open Fortnite and go straight to Settings, choosing keyboard controls for Switch to start mapping. Assign primary movement to WASD or arrow keys, set build and edit to nearby keys for speed, and bind jump, crouch, and interact where your fingers rest. Once mapped, save a custom preset and practice in the lobby. This reduces fumbling in matches. Make sure to choose intuitive combos so muscle memory forms quickly, and test each key to confirm the action registered properly. You finish by practicing in creative mode to learn timings and adjust sensitivity for aiming and building. This keeps you from losing matches while experimenting. Once comfortable, tweak debounce or key repeat settings in Fortnite and the Switch so inputs are responsive. If keys lag or stop working, first replug the keyboard, try another USB port or a different Bluetooth adapter, and restart the game. If problems persist, verify firmware updates and try a simple wired keyboard to isolate hardware issues. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.